Maruti Suzuki has launched the S-Presso hatchback with the factory-fitted S-CNG technology. The new Maruti S-Presso CNG model is offered with a starting price of Rs 4.84 lakh ex-showroom Delhi. The new Maruti Suzuki S-Presso is the latest product in the brand's lineup to be offered with a CNG-powered unit. Others also include the WagonR, Alto, Ertiga to name a few. The Maruti Suzuki S-Presso CNG model is offered in 4 variants: LXi, LXi-O, VXi and VXi-O. The new Maruti Suzuki S-Presso CNG model is powered by the same 998cc 3-cylinder engine. The CNG-powered unit produces 58 bhp at 5500 rpm and 70 Nm of torque at 3500 rpm and is mated to a 5-speed manual gearbox as standard. The petrol-powered model produces slightly higher power and torque figures at 67 bhp at 5500 rpm and 90 Nm of torque at 3500 rpm. This engine is also mated to a 5-speed manual, although an automatic transmission is offered as optional on the higher-spec variants. The Maruti Suzuki S-Presso CNG model is BS6 compliant and comes with a 55-litre tank capacity. Maruti Suzuki claims the S-Presso CNG model is capable of delivering fuel efficiency of 31.2 km per kg. The CNG variants remain identical to its petrol-powered sibling. The CNG-powered variants also offer all the features and equipment. This includes a bunch of features including a host of comfort, convenience and safety equipment, many of which are standard across variants as well.